Roasted vegetables should be crisp and caramelized. So why do they come out soggy? Most people blame the oven, but it's usually not the temperature. It's one simple problem: moisture. Too much moisture on the tray. Here's the key. If vegetables steam, they can't roast. And steaming starts when the pan is crowded. When pieces touch, water gets trapped, so the heat can't dry the surface. That drops the browning, and your vegetables turn soft. You don't get roasting, you get boiling on a tray. The fix is spacing. Roasting needs air. Spread everything in a single layer. Leave small gaps between pieces. If you need to, use a bigger tray or roast in 2 batches. Next step, dry the vegetables first. Even a little water ruins browning. Wet surfaces steam before they brown. Dry surfaces brown fast. Want an extra boost? Preheat the tray. A hot tray gives you instant sizzle. Less steam, more roast. Now the oven can do its job. Color builds, flavor builds. That's caramelization, and that's what you want. Same vegetables, completely different result. So remember this: less crowding, more roasting, and always dry the surface. Try it once and you'll taste the difference, and you'll hear the difference too. Do you usually roast everything on one crowded tray, or do you split it into batches?